wana waira, wana wariwu, fi won fi boni ni damu emu. So mania wa funkwan, basi fi fuso, ka Yesu jifu wasem tirewa. Ji wana waira, wana wariwu, Yesu ye ajin kwa mabrofu.
Yes, I'm Makwaba Ediba, rescue the Persian Jumedia, yatu being a response to Christian critics. Sa Jumedia Bia, Ediba Wakwemu, Kuada, Bia Abonum, Apampo. Na unread of war, Moshe. Sir, with the H. America Crania. Yet all share addition be to be say, how is God really like? Nyankopon kra or to send. Sa addition way na me no a share America Crania. Na last week here abakon. Na me no share topic I say, does the Quran teach the Tawhid doctrine? Does the Quran teach the Tawhid doctrine? Quran ya yina nukramofo eyusu. Yebisa say Tawhid da omoche say the oneness of God. Sa na Quran no eka ana. Na yeba be hu say yeka Tawhid Quran no a the meaning of the Tawhid nature unification. Say what can be abom. That means the idea of Tawhid nansa defeated the argument of oneness of God no. Yamawuti asiesa. There's time Mawuti asiesa say Muslims, they have so many groups of Muslims. We have Sunni, Shia, Tijani, and a whole lot of them. Now, they actually said, when we know the Sunni forno and they dominate within the Muslim community. Now, Sunni forno believe that the Quran is uncreated, it's eternal. It has been there. It's the mother of all books. You get the mother of all books. Quran is the mother of all books. So Quran we are seeing before all other books. So the Quran was with Allah before even this world was created. So it means the Quran is eternal. It's uncreated. Now, yamo hadith verses here. I just said, Komseli Muhammad essay the TV for the say, "Wamon kind Quran." Usan say, "Atemuada no Quran no eba be ye as intercessor for them, but for Amon to aid on their behalf." Sahih Muslim 1757, Al-Tamidi 1963, Nina HSA Ampa. Quran will intercede for Muslims on the day of judgment. And you know, Yabemu said, if the Quran is uncreated, the Quran is eternal, the Quran will intercede for Muslims, then the Quran is God. Because the attribute of Quran is attribute of God. And yet share Quran chapter 112, verse number 1. He said Allah is one of. Allah is one of. Then we ask our question, one of what? So this proves that the Tawhid, that the unification, that means Allah is not one, as our Muslim brothers claim. It's not one. So it's one of what? And the other said, if the Quran is eternal, it's uncreated, and the Quran will intercede for Muslims on the day of judgment. Yeah, that means the Quran is God. If not, why not? The Quran verses via a proof. Surah 6, Ayah 51. Allah is the only intercessor or protector. Allah is the only intercessor or protector. Surah 6, Ayah 17. Quran chapter 6, verse number 17. And so Allah is the only protector. If you Surah 9, Ayah 51. Quran chapter 9, verse number 51. Which says Allah is only intercessor or protector. So if Allah is the only intercessor or protector, that's the Quran also acting in the capacity of Allah there. That means the Quran is Allah. Because Sahih Muslim 1757 literally said the Quran will appear in the form of man to intercede for Muslims. So, then Allah is not one as our Muslim brothers claim. Now, the same baby will say the Quran also said Allah has a spirit. He has a spirit. Surah 15, ayah 28 to 29. Just say, Nyankopon esi na bofo say oba bebo onipa. No body be you are obey home ne honhom, I will breathe off my spirit. That's what the translation said, of my spirit into him. So we have the spirit of Allah and Allah. As Genesis 1, God and his spirit. Surah 15, ayah 20-29 say Allah has a spirit. So we have Allah and the spirit. So Allah is one of what? One of creators. And the spirit gave the spoon and a madam and one. You say, why did God breathe out the spirit to Adam? To give him life. So the spirit who gave life to Adam. If not, why not? So the spirit is a life-giving spirit. So the spirit does only what God can do. So you Allah and his spirit. You say anything that comes out of God can never be created. So Okajem said the spirit is a created being. That means Allah himself was created. When they say Allah was not created, that's how you Muslims believe. If Allah was not created, then his spirit can never be created. So you are about Allah and his spirit. So Allah is not one as our Muslim brothers claim. There's something about here, Surah ayah 19, ayah 16 to 21. Say, relate in the book the story of Mary when he withdrew from her family to a place in the east. She placed a screen to screen herself from them. Then we sent to her our spirit. Allah said, we sent to Mary our spirit. So we have seen Allah and his spirit. And he appeared before her as a man in all respect. The spirit of Allah appeared to Mary as a man. So you see, the spirit of Allah appears to Mary as a man. That's what the Quran says. And she said, that's who is speaking, Mary. She said, I seek refuge from thee to Allah, most gracious. Come not near. If thou dost fear Allah. Then the angel replied. The angel who appeared to Mary as a man replied. He said, now I am only a messenger from thy Lord. Now what I said, because a messenger of what I said, a messenger one sent off Obieri assembly asumano. So if God sends the spirit is a messenger. Someone who carries a message is a messenger. So to give thee a gift of a holy son. This is the spirit speaking. Because I'm here to give you a holy son. God is going to give you. I'm here to tell you that God is going to give you a holy son. No, that's not what the Spirit said. The Spirit said, I'm here to give thee a holy son. So it's the Spirit who is going to give Mary a son. Who can do this if not God? Who? So here the Spirit is possessed all the attributes of God. He can give a son to Mary. That was what she said. Who? Mary said, how shall I have a son, seeing that no man has touched me, and I am not unchaste? Then the Spirit replied. He said, so it will be, thy Lord said, that is easy for me, and we wish to appoint him as a sign. We, the Spirit saying, we. The Spirit include himself. We wish to appoint him as a sign unto men and a mercy from us. It is a matter so declared. We wish to appoint him as a sign to men. We, the Spirit, include himself. So, now, the Spirit of Allah is divine because the Spirit came out of Allah. Last week, Mr. said, does this sound that Allah is one? No. Allah is not one. Because His Spirit does things that only Allah can do because it came out of Allah. The Spirit came out of Allah. Note something here. Allah sent His Spirit to Mary. Allah and His Spirit, two distinct beings. The Spirit appeared to Mary as a human being. The Spirit appeared to Mary as a human being. The Spirit said to Mary, I am going to give you a holy son. He did not say, Allah sent me to give you a son, but I will give you a son. I, the Spirit, will give you a son. This is the point I want you to note here. Now, most of our Muslim brothers will say, oh, the Spirit there alone, Arabic word rule means Gabriel. Gabriel once I'm not can. Gabriel Allah Suma no say Ombra Mary chain. And can sasem way and check Mary. Now, give me the following argument. If truly the Spirit in Surah 19, Gabriel, let's look at the following argument. 1. This is a spirit that gives life to Adam, and anything that comes out of God cannot be created. Point number 1. This is the spirit who free Adam and Kwa. And if you free can never be created. Wouldn't be I said, Gabriel was created, and this spirit came out of God. Point number 1. So it can never be the case. Point number 2. If the spirit is Jibril, which Muslims will say a Gabriel, then Jibril is divine and he is God beside Allah. Suppose the spirit in Surah 19 or Gabriel there, that means Gabriel is divine. Why? Because the angel said, I'm going to give you a son. He is the same spirit who gave life to Adam. Can Gabriel do these things? So when we get if Jibril wants some now can, then there is a problem. Then Muslims should accept that Angel Gabriel is God. If not, why not? This is the question. Point number 3. During the days of Muhammad, he was asked this question: who is the spirit? Why any woman? Rule. Why any woman? He was asked this question. Now, Yentie Jo Nyankopon, because Muslims are telling us that the Quran is the word of Allah, not Muhammad. So Yentie Nyankopon Kai. Surah 17, Ayah 85. You see, during the days of Muhammad, the same question was posed to him. Now, Yentie Nya, because Mama what say, Muslims actually say, Quran is the word of Allah, not anybody but Allah. Yenti asamu Allah ekache Muhammad in Surah 17, Ayah 85. It reads, they asked thee concerning the spirit of inspiration. Say, the spirit cometh by command of my Lord. Of knowledge, it is only a letter that is communicated to you. O men, if it were our will, we could take away that which we have sent thee by inspiration. Then wilt thou find none to plead thy affair in that matter against us. I say, Muhammad, so we be so greedy, the spirit no one. Catch him say, you know nothing about that. Only read and found na kitwabi ɛne yɛada n'adi ɛde akyerɛw na ɔno Nyankopɔn ɛpɛ mpo anka kakra na yɛada n'adi de akyerɛw wo Muhammad no yɛbɛgye efiri hɔ na wontumi nka biribiara ɛmfi nti ɔno Nyankopɔn. This is what Allah told Muhammad, that when they ask you about the spirit, say you know nothing about it. So Muhammad said he know nothing about the spirit. Now the question is our Muslim brothers trying to tell us that they know better than Allah and their prophet who said he know nothing about the spirit? But today Muslims are telling us that they know better than their prophet. Because the prophet said he know nothing about the spirit, but they are telling us that the spirit is in Gabriel. So could Muhammad have said, yes, the spirit is in Gabriel, but he said nothing about that, proving that indeed you know nothing about that. But today, you don't say the spirit is in Gabriel. So it can never, the spirit can never and ever be in Gabriel, because Muhammad said you know nothing about the spirit. That is your prophet, your beloved and trusted prophet that you all believe, and said you know nothing about the spirit. Yes, indeed, you know nothing about that. Point number 4. And the spirit can never be in Gabriel is this. Surah 66, ayah 12. Surah 66, ayah 12. Quran chapter 66, verse number 12. It reads, and Mary, the daughter of Imran, who gathered her chastity, and we breathed into her body our spirit, and she testified to the truth of the words of her Lord and of his revelation, and was one of the devout servants. Nia passage ekanye. Ose Mary, Imran ba Mary. Obo ne ho ban, obo ne fanse ne babunu ho ban no. Yahume yahuhum egu ne mu. Yahume yahuhum egu ne mu. Now this is the question. If the spirit is in Gabriel, now this is the question. That means Mary conceived in Gabriel, not Jesus Christ. Mary conceived in Gabriel, not Jesus Christ. So it was in Gabriel who Mary gave birth to, not Jesus Christ. Our Muslim brother will tell us that no, it's never true. Then that means the spirit is not in Gabriel. Because if it was in Gabriel, then it was in Gabriel who Allah breathed into Mary. So this proves clearly that the spirit can never be in Gabriel. Because Allah said, we breathe into Mary our spirit. So if the spirit is in Gabriel, now this will be the translation. And we breathe into Mary in Gabriel. We breathe into Mary in Gabriel. He conceived in Gabriel and gave birth to Angel Gabriel. If not, why not? This is the question. So the spirit is not in Gabriel. The angel and the spirit are not the same according to the Quran. Another refutation, I just said the angel and the spirit are not the same. Surah 70, ayah 4, Quran chapter 70, verse number 4. I was saying, the angel and the spirit ascend unto him in the day, that measure whereof is the 50,000 years. Mrs. Subio, the angel and the spirit ascend unto him in the day, the measure whereof as 50,000 years. Also, Nyankopon before any ne honhom afuru ko Nyankopon nchen. Now, here's the question. In Gabriel is angel, right? So it's part of the angels. So we see the angels of Allah and his spirit. There has been a clear distinction between angel and the spirit of Allah. So if in Gabriel is the spirit, why is Allah differentiating in Gabriel from his angels? That means if the truly in Gabriel, the spirit is in Gabriel, that means in Gabriel is divine. That's why God differentiates him from the rest of the angels. If not, why not? This means that the spirit is different from the angels. Another one, Surah 78, ayah 38, Quran chapter 78. verse number 38. I say, the day that the Spirit and the angels will stand before in ranks. The Spirit and angels will stand before ranks. Why are they standing in ranks? Why are they standing in ranks? Meaning, the ranks are the Spirit in the one, angels in the world. So the Spirit is standing somewhere, the angels are standing somewhere. See, the day the Spirit and the angels will stand forth in ranks. The angels will group at one side, the Spirit at one side. Is in the given part of the angels? Yes. So you will not be where the Spirit will be. None shall speak except any who is permitted by Allah, most gracious, and he will say what is right. Surah 97, Ayah 4. Send your words to kindly. Then come down the angels and the Spirit by Allah's permission on every era. There ye come down the angels and the Spirit by Allah's permission on every errand. So you have to me smart home. You have to me smart na before. So you see, God sent His Spirit to Mary the same way He sent angels to other people. So this proves clearly that the angel Gabriel is not the same as the Spirit our Muslim brothers want us to believe. It is never true. Because the Spirit came out of Allah. And the Spirit that came out of Allah can never be created and can never be angel Gabriel as our Muslim brothers want to tell us. So therefore we hear me. Does this also tells you or proves the oneness of Allah our Muslim brothers are talking about? No. It's not true. It is not true. So we have seen Allah has a Spirit. Allah has eternal word who will intercede for the followers of Islam. So we see the word of Allah, which is the Quran, the Spirit of Allah, and Allah Himself. So how can our Muslim brothers tell us that Allah is one, meaning the oneness of Allah? This can never be true, and this is not true. So when you pray, the Quran, especially Tawhid, as our Muslim brothers want us to believe. We are still searching for the one of Allah is one of what, and one you so share a one is me. The best of creators. In the Quran, the Allah of the Quran introduced Himself as the best of creators. Quran, the Allah of Quran actually said He is best of creators. Best of creators. Meaning, He is not alone in creation. He is not alone in creation. He is the best of creators. Yankai, Surah 23, Ayah 14. Quran chapter 23, verse number 14. Yentin Yawaka. Then we made the sperm into a clot of congealed blood. Then of that clot we made a Festus lamb. Then we made out of that lamb bones and clothed the bones with flesh. Then we developed out of it another creature. So blessed be Allah, the best of creators. Blessed be Allah, the best of creators. Meaning Allah is not alone in creation. In the beginning of creation, there is another creator beside Allah. So in this way, we are going to say who are the creators, who were the creators, or who are the creators beside Allah during the creation of this universe. Sekai Surah 37, Ayah 125. Surah 37, ayah 125. Will you call upon Baal and forsake the best of creatures? Will you call upon Baal and forsake the best of creatures? Wobasum Baal abosom ne weja Nyankopon a oye abodie mu nyina panyin. Abodie mu nyina panyin. That means there is another creator beside Allah. If not, why not? Best of creatures, meaning there is a creator beside Allah. And who were these creators? Who are these creators? We are here to find out who these creators really are. The above surah tells us that Allah has creators beside him. Two passages I can kind of say. Yeka omo bo adea creators a omo bo adea enye Allah nko a ye we bi mo wo omo ere e ka ne ho e wa abodiem. Who are these people? And we have been told in the Quran that no creature can create, even they brought all their powers together. Quran, the Allah of Quran say, if you are saying na so we go to me na be bom eye ne ba kopa go mun to me em bo bibiara wo mun to me nya bibia ma ni nya yie. This is what the Quran tells us. Don't take my word for it. Yeke Surah 16 ayah 17 and ayah 20 to 21. Surah 16 ayah 17 and ayah 20 to 21. Quran chapter 16 verse number 17 and verse number 20 to 21. Yentie nia ewo ekan ese. Is he then who creates like him, who does not create? Allah of the Quran is asking question here. Because yewo obi wo ho a obetumi abwa bribia onka emientie. Yo bribi yo nyame bi wo ho no obetumi abwa bribi aka Nyankopon ho ana. Obisa question 20. Do you not then mind, and those whom they call upon beside Allah have not created anything, while they are themselves created? I didn't know how I was saying, yes, Yami now. As I am, woman to be Bobia, our one Casamporo, a young Yami in a head, a ball. Woman sent to be Bobia, no one Casamporo, Yami and a ball. As my Quran, I can know that was what. Not living, and they know not when they shall be raised. I said, dead are they, not living, and they know not when they shall be raised. Also, woman tiasi, Sayamina, woman you woman tiasi. Now, one doesn't move, woman you may die, you mean a woman. Not of our team. Yabelenti, Medubesia, Sadum Dumie, essential be but what this same passage so said, Yababa, who were the created beside Allah. Because passage where I say, Yabibia knew over to me a box, but Allah introduced himself as best of created. That means your Yamibia or Canada, they are him, the Behuno. Every chain and Gramophonia, Megiddy said, the Goda when you do your Suina, Ashe, Chiamalan Galium, the Chia, Omuna, Ekahuina, the Chow when you lay, Megiddy on my share. 1 year means a Miss Bia, which me Edia for media say, they bet to me A1 also. Yeke Onia Paul, Asamokai, or 2 Corinthians chapter 13, verse number 8. And you can do nothing against the truth, but the truth. I don't do me a investigation. Bye bye.
Jiwana waira, wana wari.